Alright, this is done. Looking at my my screen here, there's some discoloration, but all the junk and gunk and everything else is off of this thing. It's nice and smooth. And I even took this off, ground out the other side, and got all the paint out. I did the same thing with this. I just took it off of its receiver. So all that is bare metal. The other side, oops, looks just as good. So that's my trunk lid. That's the aluminum side. I am going to turn it back over, and in the areas that I had rust, there we go. The areas that I had rust, let me find them. Here. I'm going to treat with etching fluid and make sure I've got all that junk out of there. All the rust junk. Maybe just the seam, because this is steel. This is aluminum. Yeah, I'm not too displeased. Not at all. And so that's it for that. I'm going to do the hood next.